Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I am here with this 2006 ML320 W164 chassis. Now this vehicle has had a problem with the headlights and the wiper blades where they do not come off and on automatically as they should. And we're going to fix that today by installing a new sensor on the windscreen.
The new sensor that we are installing today is actually a second-hand unit. Thus we are saving ourselves in the order of $400 to $500 by not going to this dealership.
So the sensor that is at fault is actually under the plastic, which is just behind the rear vision mirror there. So first of all, we're going to maneuver the rear vision mirror. And then we will remove that plastic. There you go. And that's the sensor which we now have to remove. So first thing we're going to do is unclip it. So with that wire unclipped, it's simply a matter of prying off the old rain sensor and then installing the new rain sensor. Now I've just done that off camera because it was too hard to hold the camera at the same time. So we've got the new one up on there now, and now we simply have to plug that connection back in, and then we're good to go with installing the plastics, and we're done with this job. Now to get the rain sensor off, as I said, it was too hard to film because I needed two hands, but I simply pried it off with this flat scraper. And then to install the new one, I simply installed it using Loctite 401 to make sure the new rain sensor stuck to the glass. And there we go, we've got the connection in now. And then it's just a matter of reinstalling the plastic. So now that we've got the new rain sensor fitted, we can put the headlights back on the automatic setting and the windscreen wipers back on the number 1 position there, so that they will automatically come on. Now we've done a quick test and it appears like it's all working well, so that's the job done for today. So there you go folks, that's how to replace the automatic rain sensor on your Mercedes ML320 W164 chassis. If you've liked this video, do feel free to like, share and subscribe. And until next time, have a good evening.